Alright, let's make way for Leanne. Here's the stage. Alright, let's make way for Sarah Edwards. Here's the stage. Very, very reliable, a very, very good actor. Please welcome Joel Pastor!
Ito, gusto picture lang po. The Executive Vice President of Regal Entertainment, Mr. Keith Monteverde. Siyempre hindi ako kompleto ang ating premiere without the director. Please welcome the award-winning director, Derek Cabrigo. And joining Derek is our lead star, Yes, actress, please welcome Photo muna, one group photo first. One group photo first with the whole cast.
Mother, sino yung pusa?
Alright, let's get their quick messages. Let's start with Joem. We have a microphone over here. Joem, please greet everybody.
Ayan, good evening sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta at support sa aming pelikula na Untold. At para sa lahat po, ayun, ipak muna tayo bago tayo manood.
Ano?
Ipak muna tayo bago manood.
Diyos ko. Panginoon. Part and sino? Binabahan ako ng very...
Huwag ka mag-alala.
Okay. Kalma lang. Keith Monteverde.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, everybody. I hope all of you can come watch Unfold, especially all the students. Happy to announce that it will be discounted to 250 pesos for all students.
Starting day 1 yun Keith, di ba? Day 1 pa lang.
Starting day 1.
What great news. Kaori, please greet everybody.
Kami po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa paglaan nyo ng oras makarating dito. And tomorrow po mag-i-start na Worldwide Cinemas ang Untold. So sana po, supportahan nyo kami lahat.
Thank you, Kao. Lian, please greet everybody.
Hi, hello everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much for being here. Super happy kami na nandito kayong lahat. And please, thank you